The DEEBOT T50 MAX PRO is equipped with impressive suction power of 18,500 pascals, making it highly effective for deep cleaning carpets and picking up dust swiftly. Its unique ZeroTangle technology ensures that hair wraps are minimized, making it an ideal choice for homes with pets, as it handles pet fur effortlessly. With the innovative 18mm Auto-Lift Mop, it detects carpets and raises the mop automatically, ensuring that carpets remain dry while hard floors are thoroughly cleaned. The TrueEdge 2.0 feature extends the vacuum's reach, providing comprehensive edge-to-edge cleaning even in tight corners and along walls. The 12-in-1 OMNI Station offers a completely hands-free cleaning experience by automating tasks such as mop washing, drying, and self-emptying of the dustbin. Advanced navigation using AV 3.0 and LiDAR mapping allows the device to maneuver around obstacles with precision, adapting to the home's layout for uninterrupted cleaning.